In the last video, we had ended by saying that how the warbler bird came on the skiff on the boat, and then how he was talking to the warbler bird, and how he told the warbler bird that he could open the sail and give some shelter to the warbler bird, but then he's very sorry. He said with a friend that is none other than the marlin fish. So today in the next video, the coming next video, we will see that the fish makes a lurch, and then it gives a wound in the man's hand, and then he wish he had the boy with him. He wish he had some salt so that he could eat the tuna fish along with the salt. Then he is eating tuna fish. Why he is eating tuna fish is because he needs some strength. He did not have any other food, so then he is eating tuna fish. So he wish he had some lemon, some salt, so that the tuna fish could seem to be some more tasty. Now he cut the tuna fish into pieces, and it is very well described how he is cutting it, what style he is cutting it into 6 strips, etc. Then he wish he could feed the fish too. He wish he could feed the marlin fish too. The marlin fish also must be hungry. He wish he could feed the fish too. The fish is also like a brother to him. Then he's worries about his cramps in his hands is being seen. He's wondering what he will do with his hand cramped, what he will do with the fish gems, etc. Now he looks into the sky and he makes some predictions regarding hurricanes, and then he says that people like in the sea, when a fisherman is inside the sea, in the depth into the sea so much, very far away from the land, by seeing the sky he can make out where he can make predictions regarding the hurricanes. Now the line is coming up, and then he thinks whether the fish will jump again, but then it's just that the fish is now floating, going in a higher level. That's all. Then he saw the fish. Jumped, came up, and then he saw the fish, and the fish is 2 feet longer than the boat, 2 feet longer than the skiff, and that is the greatest fish that he have ever seen. The greatest fish he have ever seen. The greatest fish that he have even ever heard of. And he thinks that thank God, if the fish wishes, he saw its tail as well, which is very sharp. If it wants, it can even break the line with the tail. But then he says, thank God they are not as intelligent as we who kill them, although they are more noble and able. So he considered that the fish and his hands are brothers. And he is wondering why the fish came up. He is wondering why the fish jumped. Maybe to show how mighty it is, and the old man wishes to the fish to know how able he is also, and then he thinks that let the fish doesn't know that he is an old fellow. So by noon time his hand got uncramped, and then he thinks that once he had told the old boy that once the old boy told him that he is a strange man, and it is now time for him to prove that he is a strange old man. And then he says every time he is proving himself, but then each time he feels like the need to prove more. Then he wishes if the fish sleep, at least if the fish sleep, he could also sleep. He is wishing like that. And in the afternoon time, the fish again raised, the line again raised the fish, and then he thought that the fish will come up, but then the fish just is swimming in a higher level, that's all. And then by seeing the sun, he understood that the fish has turned east of north. So we will do till this in this 4th video. In the coming video, we will do the rest of the novella. Okay, thank you.